Yes.
So
Yes,
we will
sir.
Yes,
integrate
sir.
exactly in a similar manner. Okay, so first what you will do here is you will write this as integration of dx by sin x cos x whole square. Okay, next what you will do
Okay,
here
sir.
is you take a 4 on top and you take a 4 below. Okay, next what you do is, why have I taken this 4? I have taken this 4 so that I can insert this 4 inside the bracket. So when I
Yes.
insert this 4 inside the bracket, it becomes 2. 2 sin x cos x whole square. Now see, why have did I do this? Because I know that sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. So this is
Okay, sir.
4. What you can do is you can take this 4 out of the integration because it is a constant, and you can write this as integration dx by 2 sin x cos x is sine 2x. So this becomes sine square 2x, right? 4 integration dx. Now, what is 1 by sine square x? It is cosec square 2x
1 by sin square. Cos x square 2x.
dx. Now, what is the integration of cosec square x? It is minus cot 2x
Cot.
divided by the derivative of 2x, which is 2, plus c.
Yes, sir.
You cancel these two. So ultimately, what you get here is minus 2 cot 2x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So important sum. Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Can you evaluate 311 sine cube cos cube in exactly similar manner? I'll just give you hints. Okay. 3, not, this is not 311, this is 36. 36. The
Three,
question is
6. Sine QX, cos QX.
sine cube x
Yes,
cos
sir.
cube x. I'll
Cos
just
cube x.
give you a hints on this. What you do here is you write this as sine x cos x whole cube. Now did you get the this thing? Now did you understand what we need to do? Tell me, did you understand what we need to do?
No, sir.
There is a
No,
cube
sir.
here. So I take 1 8 into 8.
Sin cube x. Yes, sir.
Now we take the 8 inside.
8 sin x cos x.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 8 integral, this becomes 2 sin x cos x whole cube. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
this becomes what? 1 8 of sine cube 2x, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dx. Now how will you integrate sine cube? Remember, sine cube I to showed you. You know that sine theta is 3 sine theta
Yes, sir.
minus 4 sine cube theta. So what do you get from here? Sine cube theta
Sin cube.
is 1/4 of 3 sine theta minus sine theta, isn't it? So that from here, what can you write? 1 8 integral 1/4 of 3 sine 2x minus sine 3 into 2x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
dx. Now can you do the integration?
Yes, integration can do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Now we can do.
now you take 1 by 32 here and you separate. You get 3 integral sine 2x
Sine
dx
2x. Yes, sir.
minus integral sine 6x dx. Now you can integrate very easily. Okay, so this is
Yes, sir.
this sum. So when any power of sine x cos x, this is the way you do. You keep them, you take them together and then use the multiple angle formula. Similarly,
Okay,
you
sir.
can do your cos to the power of 4 sine to the power of 4 also. Okay, see, look at 4 5. Can you see 4 5?
Yes, sir.
4,
You
5.
can sine to the power of 4, cos to the power of 4. You do exactly in a similar manner.
Okay, sir.
There, what do you have to take? You have to take 1 by 16 into 16. Okay, because the power is 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Sir, 3 part 4, 5, no, sir.
3 part 4 part 5. Cos to
Okay,
the
sir.
power of 4, sine to the power of 4.
4, 5. Yes, sir. Cos to the power 4x. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sine to the power.
So you have to take 1 by 16 into 16. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let me do the
Okay, sir.
next important one, and that is 4 4. 4 6, not 4 4, 4 6. It is question is integration 7 cos cube x plus 8 sine cube x divided by 3 sine square cos square x. Okay, so your first duty here is to
Okay, sir.
separate 7 cos cube x divided by 3 sine square cos square x. Okay, plus 8 sine cube x divided by 3 sine square x cos square x dx. Now what will happen? This cos square will cancel, only you will have a power 1 here. Sine square will cancel, you will have a power 1 here. So what are you left with? Integration 7 cos x by sine square x
Yes, sir.
plus 8 sine x by cos square x dx. Now what is this? This can be written as 7 cos x by sine x into 1 by sine x, right? And this can be written as
Yes, sir.
8 sine x by cos x into 1 by cos x. Okay, dx. So this is integration. What will this become? 7 cosec
7.
x cot x,
Yes, sir.
right? Dx.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
sir, while, sir, in the second step, 7 cos qx upon 3 sine square x. Sir, 3 was there, no? So 3,
Oh,
sir, in the third step, 3
fine,
will
fine,
there.
fine. We'll write 3. 3 is also there in the second step, no? This one? Okay, we'll
Yes,
write
sir.
3. So this becomes 7 by 3, this becomes 8 by 3. Okay, so this becomes 7 by 3 and this becomes 8 by 3 dx. Fine. So now we take
Yes,
7
sir.
by 3 outside. Cosec x cot x dx plus 8 by 3 sec x tan x dx. What is the integration of cosec cot? It is minus cosec. And what is the integration of sec x tan x? Sec x.
Okay.
plus c. So this is your answer. You can write this as
Yes, sir.
minus 1/3 7 cosec x minus 8 sec x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Okay, let us do the next
Yes,
one.
sir.
All these techniques are very important because right now I am being very slow doing sum after sum, but later on these techniques, with these techniques, if you are good with these techniques, then I can pick up speed later on with your integration by parts and with your method of substitution. All this I can pick up speed after that. That is why I am
Okay, sir.
doing this a little slowly. Okay, let us see how to do this one. 5 part 3. Question is, dx by 1 minus sin x. Okay, dx by 1
Okay,
minus
sir.
sin x, another important one. Now how will you do this? See, you multiply the numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin x.
1 plus an x.
Why do you multiply by 1 plus sin x? So that I can get 1 minus sin square x in the denominator.
Okay,
I'll
sir.
get 1 minus sin square x in the denominator. And we know 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. That is why we multiplied by 1 plus sin x. So I get 1 plus sin x by cos square x dx. Now you separate here, you get integration 1 by cos x, 1 by cos square x plus sin x by cos square x dx, which is integration of sec square x, 1 by cos square x is sec square x, plus this can be written as sin x by cos x into 1 by cos x dx. Now you can separate integral sec square x dx plus, what is this one? This integral sin x by
Sir,
cos
10
x
x.
sec x tan x.
Yes, sir.
Integration sec square x is tan x and integration sec x tan x is sec x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Let us do
Yes, sir.
uh, 4 is very easy. 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. You know the formula for 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x? 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x is what? Tan square x.
Tan.
Okay. How do you integrate tan square x? 5, 4. I'll just give you hints for this, okay?
Okay, sir.
1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. You know the formula, direct formula for this is tan square half of 2x, which is tan square x. How do you integrate tan square x? You know tan square x is equal to sec square x
Six
minus
square.
1.
What one? Yes, sir.
Now you can do, that is integral
That's
sec
the knowledge.
square x dx minus integral dx, and then sec square x is tan x, integral dx is x. Okay, let us do
Yes,
one
sir.
5 6. 5 6. Now 5 6 is a question from your examination. Here I is equal to integral root 1 plus sine 2x dx. Now remember again, I told you this technique is important. We have used this technique in differentiation a lot of
Yeah.
times.
Yes, sir.
What do I do, Amit? Tell me. Tell me, what should I do?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, I'm waiting.
Sir, sir, first we will differentiate
No.
root.
First you will write 1 as cos square x plus sine square x.
Yes,
This
sir.
1 you
Plus
are writing as
sine
cos square x.
2x.
This technique I have told you a lot of times in differentiation also. 1 you write as cos square x plus sine square x, and sine 2x you separate as 2 sine x
2 sin x.
cos x dx. Now what does this become? This becomes integral root over of cos x plus sine x whole square dx, which is integral cos x plus sine x dx. Okay, so this becomes integral cos x dx plus integral sine x dx. Integral cos x is sine x and integral sine x is minus cos x
Yes,
plus
sir.
c. So this is sine x minus cos x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So remember this technique. I again tell you this technique is very, very important. Okay. Similarly, can you do number 6? Similarly, number 6
Number 6.
is an exact replica of this sum.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only half is there.
Yes. Tell
That's
me
why.
what should I write? Next step. Just the next step. Tell me.
So the same thing we will do.
Ah.
Uh, cos square cos
Hmm.
square x by 2.
Why 2? You will break this as cos square x by 4 because you need to take half of this angle.
Oh, yes, sir. Then sine
Plus
cos.
2 sine x
Yes,
by
sir.
4
X
cos
plus.
x by 4.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. So this you
Yes,
will
sir.
get as dx. This you will get as integration cos x by 4 plus sine x by 4 dx. So now if you integrate cos x by 4 dx plus sine x by 4 dx. So cos x by 4 is, what is the integration of cos x by 4?
Yes, sir.
Integration cos x by 4 is how much?
Sir, it will sir 1 by 4th will come out, and then minus sine x.
No. Integration of, first you integrate cos, you get sine x by 4 and divided by the derivative of x by 4, which is 1 by 4, plus
Yes.
integration of sine is minus cos x by 4 and then divided by the derivative of x by 4 plus c. So we get 4 sine x by 4 minus 4 cos x by 4 plus c. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can also write this as, you can take 4 common, sine x by 4 plus cos x by 4 plus c. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, sir.
so the next one is the next one is number 10. Okay, I is equal to, although this looks big, this is nothing. Integral cos inverse 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Okay,
Yes, sir.
dx. How will you integrate this? You know the formula for 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square? Remember, this is cos 2x. Cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So this
Tan
simply
square x.
becomes integral 2x dx, which is twice integral x dx, which is twice x to the power of 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c, which is 2 x square by 2 plus c. So these two cancel. So you get x square plus c. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this looks long, but it was not. And similarly, you can do number 9 also. Sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. What will you do with this? Can you tell me what can you do with this? Number 9.
So number 9, sine 2x 1 plus cos 2x.
Tan inverse sine 2x
Tan inverse and
by
1 plus
1
cos
plus
2x.
cos 2x. Okay. Integration all this dx.
Sir.
So can you tell me what to do with this? Tan inverse, you write sine 2x as 2 sine x cos x,
Sin x. Yes, sir.
and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x.
2 cos.
Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel. Cos and cos will cancel. So what are you getting? You're simply getting integration of tan inverse sine x by cos x, which is tan x.
Tan x. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So tan inverse tan x is how much?
Tan
Why are you thinking so much? Tan inverse tan x is x,
x. Yes, sir.
and integration of x square is integration of x is x to the power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. So this will give you half of x square plus c. Okay, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So these sums look big, but they are actually nothing. (11) can you do on your own? Inverse, this is just an application of inverse circular functions.
Yes, sir. Cos inverse and sine
Yes,
x is there.
convert sine x to convert
Yes, sir. Sine cos x.
yes, convert cos sine
And
x
then
to
it will become.
cos x,
Cos x.
and this it
Yes,
will
sir.
get. Okay, so I'm not doing that then.
Okay, sir.
11 I'm not
Yes,
doing.
sir.
I'll be doing number 12 then.
Yes, sir.
It is given here that f dash x is equal to 3x. What do you mean by f dash x? What is f dash x? The derivative of fx. ddx
Yes.
of fx is f dash x. Okay. Here we have just they have given you f dash x. Okay, and they have given you f dash x, and also they have given you f1. They have not given you f dash 1. Okay, they have given you f1. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
if I integrate both sides, will I get fx? Therefore, if I integrate f dash x dx, since integration is just the reverse process of differentiation, if I integrate f dash x, what will I get? Tell me. See, when I am differentiating fx, what do I get? F dash x, right? That means since integration is just the reverse process of differentiation, if I integrate f dash x, I'm going to get fx, right or wrong?
Yes.
Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So if
Yes, sir.
f dash x, if I integrate f dash x, what am I going to get? I'll get fx. Integration f dash x is
Yes, sir.
fx. So now I'll integrate the
Yes,
right hand side. I'll
Yes,
get
sir.
integration 3x square
sir.
dx minus
Hello.
integration 2 by
Yes, sir. Right.
x cube dx. So this is thrice integration x square dx minus twice integration dx by x cube thrice x to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus twice, you can write this as x to the power of minus 3 dx. So this becomes 3 into 3 by 3 into x cube, and this is twice x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus a constant of integration. So this becomes x cube minus this minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. So this becomes a plus 2, plus sign, because in the denominator you have a minus sign, and 2 will cancel also. So you get x to the power of
Yes, sir.
minus 2 plus c. So getting this as x cube plus 1 by x square plus c, right? So therefore, what is the value of fx you are getting? Therefore, fx is equal to x cube plus 1 by x square plus c, where c is a constant of where c is a constant of
Integration.
integration. Now, look at the second condition. The second condition given here is f1 is equal to 0. We'll apply this condition to get the value of this constant. Okay. So given f1 is equal to 0. So according to our question, what is f1? f1 is 1 cube plus 1 by 1
Yes,
square
sir. Plus.
plus c. So this is 1 plus 1 plus c, which is c
Yes,
plus
sir.
2. And how much is the value of
Yes, sir.
f1? f1 is equal to 0. Therefore, c plus 2 must be equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
That means c is equal to
Sir, equal
minus 2.
minus 2.
Therefore, what is the value of fx? X cube plus 1 by x square plus minus 2,
Plus minus 2.
because c is minus 2. Okay, so this is the value of fx. This is what you needed to calculate here. Find
Yes,
fx.
sir.
So we have found fx,
Yes, sir.
including the value of the arbitrary constant also. How did we find the value of the arbitrary constant? By using the second condition that was given, f1 is equal to 0. Okay, as I'm telling you, this is a very, very important technique. How to find out the value of the arbitrary constant. Okay, look at
Okay.
number 13. Last question of this exercise. One more problem I want to do. Okay, one more. I think I missed out that problem. Missed out that type, in fact. And I'll do this. Let me finish this, and after this I'll do one more from this. Number 13. Given f dash x is equal to a sin x plus b cos x. Okay, and f dash,
Okay, sir.
also what is given to you here is f dash 0 is equal to 4. And also what is given to you here is f pi by 2 is 5. Okay, f pi by 2 is 5. So what do we have to do here? See that f is given here. So from f dash x, can we find f? If I integrate both sides, I'll get f, right? But you also see here that f dash 0 is also given. F dash 0 is equal to 4. So we can find out. So we have f dash 0 is equal to 4. And what is the value of f dash 0? A sine 0 plus B cos 0 is equal to 4, right? Using this one,
Yes, sir.
that means we get B is equal to 4, right? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
what is your f dash x? F dash x becomes, I don't know the value of A, so I'll simply write A sine x, and I have found out the value of B, so I'll put the value 4 cos x, right? Now
Yes, sir.
I will find fx from f dash x, so I will integrate both sides. Therefore, integration of f dash x dx is equal to integration of a cos x, a sin x, sorry, a sin x plus 4 cos x dx. Okay, so this will become integration f dash x is what? Fx. Separate, you get a sin x dx plus integration 4 cos x dx. Now you can take a out of the integration because it is a constant, a sin x dx, and you can take 4 out of the integration also, get 4 cos x dx. Now what is the integration of sin x? It is minus cos x.
1 cos x.
And what is the integration of cos x? It is sin x.
Sin
And
x.
plus c. You have a constant of integration. So this is what you are getting the value of fx. Therefore fx is equal to, not f dash x, it is fx. Therefore fx is equal to minus a cos x plus 4 sin x plus c. Okay. Now what is the condition given here? F pi by 2 is equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So f pi by 2 is equal to 5. That means you have f, what is the value of f pi by 2 here? You put x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, you put x is equal to pi by 2. So you get minus a cos pi by 2. Okay, and you get 4 sin pi by 2 plus c must be equal to 5. Now cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin by pi by 2 is 1 plus c is equal to 5. So what is the value of c that you are getting?
So 1.
Value of c that you are getting is 1. Okay. Okay, there is one more condition that is given, which I did not forgot to write. In fact, 3 conditions are given. No, one, f0 is equal to 3. This is also given to you. Okay, I forgot to write this condition. So there are 3 conditions given to you. Okay, all this is given. I have used these 2 conditions. Okay, now I'll use the third condition. Also, f0 is equal to 3. So what is f0 here? Minus a cos 0 plus 4 sin 0 plus c is equal to 3. That means minus a plus, what is the value of c that I have got here? 1. That means we get
A is equal to minus 4. Um,
minus 2.
minus 2.
Okay, so therefore
Yes, sir.
we got the value of a, we got the value of b also. Earlier only we got the value of b,
Yes, sir. C
and we have
also.
also got the value of C here. So we just simply put the values of A, B and C. The question here is find fx. So therefore fx is, what is fx here? Minus a cos x. That means minus of minus 2 cos x plus 4 sin x. And the value of c is 1. So what do you get? The value of fx? 2 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 1. Okay, absolutely clear this problem?
Yes, sir.
So you see there
Yes, sir.
were actually there were three constants a, b and c, and we used these three conditions to find the value of a, b and c. Only thing was that c was the constant of integration. C was the constant of integration. Okay. So one more problem that I would like to discuss is from your basic trigonometry, again from your class 11 trigonometry. Sum to product and product to sum formula, if you remember from that. You know,
Yes,
remember
sir.
2 sin A cos B formula? 2 sin A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, all that you remember?
Yes, sir.
We are going to apply that formula here, and that problem which I can see here.
42.
Hmm?
No, sir.
I can see, wait. Yes, this one. 4 3. 4 3.